see how well my built-in noise canceling works, I guess. So, that's probably better. Okay. So, we're going to start layering the lasagna. I've got a little bit of a package, and then I bought another package. So, I'm going to start with the sauce. I need a different spoon. That one won't work. This is Old Faithful right here. All right. We're going to layer. I haven't sprayed this. I probably should have, but I did not. Hopefully there's enough liquid in here that it won't matter. I'm just going to layer this on the bottom. I'm not going by a recipe here. I'm just going by like what I recall. So I'm just going for it. Okay, so I've got a layer of sauce. It might need a little more juice, but hopefully not. The cheese is actually kind of juicy. So I added 2 eggs instead of 1. Then I'm going to lay these oven-ready noodles down right on top of that lasagna. On top of that sauce, I mean. Lasagna. Charlie said it was Garfield's favorite. I was like, how did you know that? She said, I've watched it with you. I don't remember, but Garfield's favorite dish is what we're having. Okay. I probably didn't even need a new. And then I'm going to take this mixture and pour some of that on there. Like that there. Smear that around. Oh, I got it everywhere. Don't make a mess. No. Oh, it dripped. Oh, it's got raw egg in it. Oops. Okay. We're just going to do this like it's a cake. Smear it out all over the top of the noodles. The noodles.
Call came in with impeccable timing. Right as I was driving to the grandeur of
Okay.
The reason is known as the Almighty and your guardian angel.
There.
You've been called back to Top Gun. You are dismissed.
Okay, then we start again. We do another layer. Spread the love. I'd actually put some Parmesan in here with my mozzarella. I did not put mozzarella in the cottage cheese mixture. I didn't add mozzarella to that. I could have done Parmesan though, but I did do the extra it's not goat cheese, what's it called? Feta. I did add that little bit of feta in there for some salt, I guess. But the cottage cheese is super salty too, so I didn't put any salt in this whatsoever. This is only the salt that was there. Only spice I added, it's not even a spice, it's a, what do you call it? The fragrant things. Onions and garlic, shallots and whatnot. What is that called? Anyway, I didn't even put any spice. It's just the spice from the basil in the spaghetti sauce. And the garlic that I added to the shablam. box of noodles.
They're called orders, Maverick. You two have something in common.
Okay.
Cyclone here was first in this place back in '88.
Actually, sir, I
Go with this.
just want to manage expectations.
Alright, I've got my oven set to 375, by the way. Oven's on 375. What you watching?
This is Maverick.
Oh.
I was gonna turn on something else. You want, I can turn
I
on.
thought he was in a spaceship.
No, he's in that
He was
new-
on a plane earlier.
He's in that new,
I thought that was Tom Cruise on a spaceship. I didn't know what movie that was. He was in an aeroplane, huh?
the new one, like a couple $1 million
yeah.
planes.
A jet aeroplane. Leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back. Leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Dirty dishes. Alright, here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Oh no. So this is enough to feed me and my hubby and my bonus boyo.
It's been a while since I fought F-18. I'm not sure who I trust to fly the other three, but I'll find a way to make it work.
It says to put full over it, so I am going to use full and not my little lid because I don't know. That enamel is oven proof. The enamel on my little lid. It says from Brie'Anne's kitchen. We got it at the Hot Springs craft shop. It says Nordic wear on it. Okay. Oh, that's my tea. I was like, I hear water boiling. Why do I hear water boiling? It's not tea. Tea water. 40 to 50 minutes. And then 15. No, just 15 minutes. In we go. I'm gonna do 40. $45 to 50 minutes. All right. Y'all gotta do the dishes. Oh, but I'm gonna make tea first. It's not boiling yet. That is too much water. I tell you. Ow! Okay. Now there's room for the bags. Hot water. That reminds me. I need dish soap and hand soap for the bathroom.